Hey there, class. Let's talk about types of displays and display settings. In this chapter, we'll discuss the type of displays and how they're used, as well as the categories of display settings. Types of displays. We have our one-item display, line of goods display, related merchandise display, variety or assortment display, promotional display, and institutional display. The first four types of displays are the major types of displays that are utilized. By displaying a single item, a one-item display can emphasize exclusivity, simplicity, or a minimalist style. A line of goods display shows one type of merchandise. This can be all shoes, dresses, or pants. Although this display is limited to one type of merchandise, there are no limits on the designs or colors that are presented. However, the items on display should have a connection, a reason that they are being shown together. A new fabric or print can make this type of presentation cohesive. A related merchandise display shows items that pair together. Such items can be used together because of their color, a related theme, or an idea. An all denim presentation displays denim in a variety of washes and styles. This display can also be inclusive of shoes and accessories such as jewelry, belts, and bags. A variety or assortment display is a grouping of unrelated items. It can include apparel, housewares, toys, and shoes. It is an eclectic mix of items that have no rhyme or reason to be together other than being sold at the same store. A promotional display promotes a certain concept, trend, or item. Any of the display types that we've discussed can make up a promotional display. Each year, we see Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, back to school, and Christmas promotional displays. An institutional display does not promote any particular item that is for sale, but rather promotes an idea. Institutional displays shows the community that the store cares and supports the quest of nonprofit organizations. A popular example of this is a breast cancer awareness display. On the left, we have a display of a line of goods, and on the right is a related merchandise display. Let's talk about the types of display settings. So we have our realistic setting, environmental setting, semi-realistic setting, fantasy setting, and abstract setting. A realistic setting is a recognizable display. It paints an image that presents itself as being real. It is best to present a realistic setting in a fully enclosed window display. This allows for better control of the display so that the message can be most effective. The setting being presented can be an office setting, a park setting, or any other setting that presents a realistic look. An environmental setting is a form of a realistic setting. It shows how and where an assortment of various related items can be used. The image here is an example of such, where you can see how various items, furniture, bedding, an accent rug, and home accessories create an environmental setting. Walk into any furniture store and you will find more examples of environmental settings. Semi-realistic settings. A semi-realistic setting presents only the essence of the setting and leaves the rest of the setting to be created by the imagination of the shopper. A fantasy setting is creative, suggestive, and unusual. They're whimsical and sometimes magical. An abstract setting is often the most difficult to create. It is an arrangement of lines and shapes where the merchandise is the dominant feature. The setting subliminally reinforces the message. Build-up display. A build-up display carries the shopper's eye through various groupings of product. The build-up is created by using forms in different shapes and sizes arranged in a straight line. The item that rests at the top of the build-up is thought to be the most desirable out of the groupings. All right, I will chat with you all in the next lecture.